What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today we got part 2 of the exhaust install, and we are going to be putting the downpipe in, the rest of it basically, which is gonna make the turbo sound really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part. Currently on my way over to the shop right now. I got the rest of the exhaust in the back, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we are here probably like a few days, maybe a few weeks later. I gotta get this video out. It's just been like sitting and I can't have that. But we're gonna be testing the exhaust. I want you guys to hear it. The nice little turbo sound. I love it. Pull these windows up a little bit. Alright, let's see. We got a nice little straightaway here. Perfect the way I want. Like when I first heard this thing coming out of the shop, I just like, or when I first revved it up in the shop, in the garage, I heard the turbo sound for the first time, and I was just like, wow, like it sounded so good. Oh my god, I just love how this thing sounds. I love hearing, like, I never used to like roll down the windows as much as I did, but like now it's just like I have to have these windows rolled down so I can hear the turbos. I love it. This car is not even done. There's still so much more I want to do. I want to do an intake. I want to do a performance chip, possibly a tune. I found a new speed tune that I can run that gives it like a little extra boost. I think it's like 6 PSI pounds of boost I'll be able to get out of it. And then I run 87 octane, where that I'd be able to run 91. So, but man, this thing sounds amazing. Get some downshifts in. Let's see here. Love that. Alright, we'll do a couple more pulls here. But yeah, this car, it's finally coming together the way I want it. I absolutely love it. I also have to make a video on these wheels that I got too. Like that video should have been made like months ago. And then I also have pre-cut taillight tint, because I've been having so much trouble getting that second part video out, because I just like, there's so much I keep learning about like tinting and even like strapping in general. Like it's definitely a process to learn, but I'm getting used to it.